Hello friends, today we will discuss some exercises regarding the condition coccydynia. It is also called tailbone pain. It is most commonly seen in the people who sit for the longer duration. So it's very common in prolonged sitting people and who travel a lot, and it may be due to the injury to the tailbone also. So we'll start with the exercises. For this we have to lie comfortably in the straight lying position, that is supine position. We'll start with the piriformis stretch. So suppose if you are going to do the piriformis stretch of the left one, flex the right leg, right knee, and place your left leg over the right one and bend the knee of the right one like this and hold in this position for 10 seconds. So that you have to feel the piriformis stretch of the upward leg. Hold in this position for 10 seconds. Relax. Now switch the sides. So now we are going to do the piriformis stretch of the right one. So that you have to flex the left knee and place the right one over the downward leg and lift the left leg like this. So that you have to feel the stretch over the piriformis muscle of the right one. Hold in this position for 10 seconds. So repeat it for 5 times with a hold period of 10 to 15 seconds. Now we will proceed to the gluteal stretch. Gluteal is the muscle that over the back of the buttock region. For that, flex both the knees and hold in this position for 15 seconds. So that you have to feel stretch over the gluteal muscles. And again relax. Stretch for 15 seconds. Relax. Now we will proceed to the hamstring stretch. For that, again, for suppose if you are going to do the hamstring stretch of the left one, bend the right knee and lift the left leg like this, so that you have to feel stretch over the hamstring muscle of the left leg. Hold in this position for 15 seconds. Relax. Now switch the sides. For that, you have to bend the left knee and lift the right leg. Hold in this position for 15 seconds, so that you have to feel stretch over the hamstring muscle of the right leg. Hold in this position for 15 seconds. Relax. So same, repeat it for 5 times with a hold period of 15 seconds and twice a day. Now we will come into the sitting position and we will sit like this. Bend your both the knees and place comfortably like this. You have to sit over the ankle region and hands should be like this. You have to stretch. And hold in this position for 15 seconds. Relax. Come back to the normal position. Again, stretch. Come back to the normal position. Along with this, we will do with the bridging. For the bridging, you have to place comfortably in the supine position, but place both the hands over the back. For this, you should not lift your back. You just lift your buttocks upward and downward, pelvis upward and downwards, not the back. So push the hand downward and lift the buttocks upward, downward. Again, buttocks upward, downward. Push the hand downward. So keep in mind that you don't have to lift the back like this. You just have to lift the buttocks upward and downward. So upward, downward, upward and downward. Repeat it for 15 times. So along with this, you have to avoid the prolonged sitting. And if you are going to sit for a longer duration, you just use the coccyx pillow. It's also called donut pillow. It's available in online. You can purchase it and if you are going to sit for a longer duration, you can use that pillow. Avoid long sitting. If you are going to sit for the longer duration, take a break. Means you have to come back to the standing position and you can go for a walk. And it's more common in the constipation people also. So keep it in mind that you can take laxatives also if you are facing the constipation problem. So laxatives and forward bending while sitting is also very helpful. Don't go into the inclined position like this. You can sit straight over the donut pillow, or if you are having severe pain in the intervals, you can bend forward also. But don't sit for the longer duration. Hope this video is helpful for all of you. Thanking you. Regards, Dr. Srivalli Janjala, physiotherapist.